Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. I am artist Jayanta and today my watercolor composition is how to paint a lady in hat. This is a beautiful composition. This girl sitting on the sea beach and wearing bikini and taking sun bath. I am starting the paint with skin tone and I left the paper white where the light comes on the skin, and I am using 230 GSM paper. This is not rough, this is plain paper, so I will do loose watercolor techniques on it. And this composition I am creating, the hat, this hat color is little greeny, and the beautiful sky after the sea, and this is I'm using cobalt blue, only cobalt blue for the sky. And now I am painting the sea little darker, French ultramarine with cobalt blue, and very carefully I have to do it because I don't want color inside the figure. This is a beautiful composition of figurative composition, and do it very carefully. I just paint the first layer of the sea. Now I am doing some waves on the sea, wet in wet, and the sand, wet sand I am painting using cobalt blue, burnt sienna and yellow ochre. The figure here is a negative painting, and cut out the figure, and after that I am using second layer. Now the second was about the shadows, the sunlight coming from right side, so do shadows left side. And this is a very important light and shadows. It's a sunny day on the beach, and the light and shadows create your painting a 3D look and realistic. Now under the hat, on the shoulder, a dark shadow on skin, and now I will use much water to paint the skin tone. Second layer all about shadows, and after that I will create some detailing work. And now looking the skin realistic, and this girl is sunbathing on the beach, so she wearing a bikini, and this is a very interesting painting and the watercolor techniques for beginners. Hope you enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and please watch the video till the end. Hope you will enjoy it. watching my video. Hope you enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.